So as of today, we now have two T-cell products approved for treatment with patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. Tisagenlecleucel just got approved in the last month for large cell lymphoma, and Axicabtagene, Ciloleucel, was approved early last year. And so those are the two different products. One is a CD28 CAR and one is a 4-1BB CAR, and that's showing exciting results in patients with diffuse large cell lymphoma or transformed follicular lymphoma who have either not relapsed after prior therapy or not able to even get into remission and not qualify for transplants. So that's really exciting to now have two different CARs available essentially for the same indication. We have a third one on the way, that's the JCAR17, which is now Lisocabtagene Maraleucel, and that is looking even impressive as well. And data was presented on that update of that JCAR17 trial, showing a good response rate in overall response rate and CR rate, and good persistence of the CRs between month 3 and 6 and beyond, which is really very encouraging. The most notable difference in that product seems to be there's a lower rate of severe CRS and at least severe CRS. There was only one case out of 100 patients, over 100 patients, with severe CRS, and so that's quite different than the published data with Axicabtagene or Tisagenlecleucel, and so that would be one potentially differentiating point if that drug eventually, does get approved. Aside from the lymphomas, there really wasn't much update in leukemias, but there was update on new CARs in multiple myeloma, and that was very, very exciting. The follow-up of the Celgene Bluebird trial, and that study showed a pretty high response rate that patients had ongoing or had deep remissions with, in some cases, molecular remissions, and while there were some relapses seen and a median follow-up of median time to progression of about a year, I mean, the results I think are truly extraordinary. These were patients who had 7 or 8 prior regimens, had failed virtually everything you could even possibly treat them with, and I think that as of the analysis, there were still about 8 patients still in remission, 6 out beyond a year, and 2 out actually now beyond 2 years. So I wouldn't even expect it to work that well in this heavily pretreated patient because there's so much mutation going on and so much I would expect the cells to be able to escape. So I'm really happy about that result, and it's the first wave of that we're seeing in myeloma, and everyone's obviously quite excited about it.